Hey, did you just create an idea pin that was awesome? And now you are thinking, dang, sure would like to use this idea pin in a reel or a TikTok if it's still around, or a short or a Facebook reel. But there's a problem. There's a watermark on that thing. Here's what you can do from now on. And this is what I think you should do every single time you create an idea pin. You can download it without the watermark before you hit publish. Got my bouncy hair today. I'm feeling bouncy. Hey, it's Tabby with Simple Pin Media, and we are a group of Pinterest experts here to help you effectively market your business on Pinterest. So if you're new to Pinterest or just like idea pins in general, you probably want to watch this video that I've already created. It talks all about idea pins, best practices, how to make them, what you want to put in them, things like that. So if that's really what you are looking for, catch that video and then come back here and watch this one before you hit publish. Okay, so there are a couple of reasons why you want to download your idea pin before you hit publish. The number one reason why you want to make sure you download your idea pin before you hit publish is so that you can repurpose that puppy. It gives you what you've created on Pinterest, your idea pin, including the stickers and the links. It includes all of that in a video that is saved to your photos gallery, and then you can use the idea pin that does not have the watermark, the Pinterest logo. It doesn't have that if you download it before you hit publish. So then you can use that in other platforms, because not sure if you know this, but platforms don't like to play well with each other. They don't want to see another platform's logo on their short form video. Another reason to download your idea pin before you hit publish is for approval. Now, what I'm thinking in my head is for like a brand deal approval. Let's say you have proposed to another brand to work together, they pay you, you talk about their product, and let's say you have agreed upon you're going to talk about this product in this way on this idea pin, and they want to see it before they approve it. If you download your idea pin before you hit publish, you get to show them that idea pin in its entirety and how it will look with stickers and tags and text without having to actually publish it. This could also be good if you are a Pinterest manager or social media manager and your client or boss want to approve the work you are doing. This is a way you can do that. So open up your app and let me show you how to download your idea pin without the watermark. Let's say you've already gone in, made your idea pin. I'm just going to grab one that I've already made in the past, and just for tutorial's sake, I'm going to grab a couple of stickers, put it on. Let's just pretend like I've made this whole thing right here on this video. I'm just going to make a little bit of poppiness, you know, like gonna let it pop, pop, pow, pow. Okay, so we've made this idea pin. Now we are done. Now we need to go to the finishing touches page. And here you're going to add your title. So I'm going to say e-commerce in 2023. I am going to add some notes. This is just a test. Okay, they're not real notes, but just go with me here. We're going to pick a board, e-commerce on Pinterest. I am going to add my tags. This is important, guys. Don't forget this part. Add relevant tags. You can add up to 10. That's good. We'll call that good today. You're ready to hit publish. But before you do that, download it. And that would be on the button to the left of the publish button. It's the arrow pointing down into like a file holder thing. That is your download button. The one next to that that looks like a folder is basically your save, your drafts folder. So we're going to hit download. The longer your idea pin is, the more video you have, the longer it takes to download. Boom. Download to camera roll. Now, if you're ready to publish, you can hit publish. If you need to send it to a brand to get approval or your boss to get approval, then you can just hit the folder and it is saved to your drafts. And then when you are ready to come back and publish that draft, you're going to go back to Idea Pins. And down here on the bottom right side, this is where your drafts are held. Click on that thing and put it out there. Okay, so just for education's sake, let me show you what it looks like if you did not download your idea pin before you hit publish, and you take an idea pin that you've already published and you repurpose it on Instagram or wherever you want to. So this is what it looks like. You go to your already published idea pins, click on the one you want to repurpose, and then you will see on the right side that little upload sign. And so here you have some options. You can share it to various social media, or you can download this idea pin. You can also send it straight to your IG stories, and it will look like this. And as you can see, there is the Pinterest logo right there. I mean, it's okay, like I think it's okay on your stories, really. But if you wanted to make a reel or a short or a Facebook reel, you really should try to not have the watermark. Something to keep in mind: if you include a tag on your idea pin, those tags are not going to be clickable on another platform if you've downloaded that idea pin on your phone. So something that I like to do if I'm downloading an idea pin to then repurpose on another platform and it has a tag on it, I like to create a text box on that idea pin that I am repurposing on Instagram. So for instance, I might take this idea pin that has a tag on it and make it a reel. So when I'm in Instagram and I'm creating a reel and then there's that tag on that video, then I will just instead put text over that tag and say something about, like, grab the link in the bio or something like that. And I actually really enjoy creating idea pins now because I can create cover images, I can create multiple pages. We might create a short form video giving a super helpful tip, but with Pinterest and making idea pins, it doesn't just have to be that video. I get to create a beautiful cover image or an ending page. There's so much you could do with idea pins: add, take away, tag, and then to be able to download that idea pin without its watermark and repurpose it in other platforms, for us, has been a game changer. Before, we used to prioritize creating Instagram Reels, and then whatever would make sense for Pinterest, we would then repurpose in Pinterest. But we realized Pinterest is our #1 social media platform. So why are we not prioritizing idea pins and then taking idea pins and repurposing them into the other social media platforms? That is what makes sense for us, and I think Pinterest makes it easy for us to do that. If you have any specific questions, please drop them in the comments. I am here to answer your questions. Seriously, I want to help. And since this is such a popular topic, I thought I would drop this video: how to make money on Pinterest. Everybody wants to make money, right? Yes. So here's how you can use Pinterest to do that.